Now, maintaining and protecting your blades is fast, easy, and affordable with Flitz. The Flitz Knife Restoration Kit cleans, sharpens, lubricates, and protects all serrated and conventional blades with state-of-the-art ingredients. First, sharpen your knife with a DMT Dia-Sharp Diamond Sharpener. Great when you're on the go, the micronized diamond surface works dry or with water. No oil required. Just place the bevel at the optimal angle, stroke the edge forward, then flip and repeat to razor sharpness. To remove rust, fingerprints, and residue, apply a small amount of Flitz Premium Liquid Polish to the surface and then buff to a high luster with the washable, reusable Hunter Orange Flitz Microfiber. The legendary non-toxic polish leaves behind a thin film of beeswax to protect your blades from moisture and dirt. And finally, to reduce wear and friction on your blade's moving parts, just a drop of the included Superlube synthetic oil cleans, lubricates, and protects without gumming up. The special needle bottle lets you put the oil exactly where you want it without making a mess. Bring old blades back to life and maintain new ones with the Flitz Knife Restoration Kit. Your kit contains Flitz liquid polish for handles, bolsters, guards, and blades, a compact diamond sharpening stone, Superlube lubricating oil, and a thick and thirsty Ultra Plush Flitz microfiber. Treat all your blades to the easy-to-use premium ingredients in the affordable Flitz Knife Restoration Kit. Don't just sharpen and polish it. Flitz it.